This is going to be fun this way.
Not fun.
Not challenging is more the issue. It's not fun. Challenging.
It was a horrible trip.
I remember it being a rough road in, but there was an easy way out.
Oh, it's all your fault. It's simply 'cause I'm mistreated by the state.
Do you ever get really frustrated with my driving?
Obviously, I was.
All these actions in this suit.
Okay, so we got lost way up in the hills, probably up there somewhere. Well, summer is here. It's quite bright, but it's quite early. I'm going to take you to LandThai Hills, and I've been to LandThai Hills before. It's a beautiful spot. It's quite a rough road in. But from there, we're going to places that I've never been before. So there are some beautiful spots. We'll end up at a spring to show you. But this is what it means to actually go through Bohol and see all the little detailed spots, the amazing spots that nobody knows about. It did not start well.
No. I had my keys on my top box.
My keys.
And they had fallen off.
Right, okay, let's go back. Let's go back.
And now we had to find them.
No, I'm not to blame, even though I make these mistakes.
There they are.
Oh, it's all your fault. It's simply 'cause I'm mistreated by the state, and I can't be held accountable to all these actions in this suit. It's just part of the game. Give me love to steal. Give me everything tomorrow.
Imagine you're traveling to that kind of road, just like a loophole, while you were on the back seat, your head is banging and your back is aching. Plus, at the time, I didn't have sleep because we travel already after my shift. So it's really stress. You know me when I'm stressed, when I don't have enough rest. So
It was quite a dangerous road, and Annalyn worked all night the night before. Then I lost my keys. Going back and finding them, then going up into the mud, passing cows, and Annalyn had no idea where we were. And Google Maps is terrible. We got so lost up there. But it's okay.
Okay.
it's like I'm in hell.
I'll get you to walk through here.
Well, actually, that's much better comparing to ride a motorbike, which keep on banging your head.
And I'll be your guide on this victory march, where the losers cheering how. Woo! Oh, the tables have turned, awakened by the storm, shocked and shattered to the core. Ha!
I don't know, I was very angry at the time.
We've just come out of wet season and the bike is slipping all over the place. We were so off the beaten path that cows were in the middle of the road, if you could call it a road.
Oh, wow.
The road had disappeared and Google Maps had gone on the blink.
Wow, look at that view. This is not what you call a road. That was a journey. Okay, so we got lost way up in the hills, probably up there somewhere, and we were really in a bad way. So anyway, we got stuck up with cows and goats, and then my battery ran out on the camera. following this guy to get out, and I just wasn't going to stop to get out my battery and to fix that up. Felt like they drove us 20 kilometers. We're here. Doesn't look like much yet, but this is a spectacular view. When I first came to Bohol and drove this, I don't think I was as fit as I am now. This was quite a walk, so we'll see if this is a huge walk. See the angle that we're going up on? This is an amazing spot.
Very relaxing, even if I'm tired, because of the view. It's overlooking, and you'll see a green surrounding, so it's just very fresh, you know.
I think we were trying to travel over this. I think we were right up there and trying to travel right. Can you imagine that? It was scary. There were times where it was just slip and slide, and you're literally having sides that are steeper than this. So yeah, quite scary. Quite scary. Somebody's over there, down near the pool. I think this would be a nice place to come and stay overnight. To wake up in the middle of just before sunset or just before sunrise and get beautiful views. It's a lovely pool. That one's 3 foot deep, that one's 5 foot deep.
Seeing those greenery things, it makes your eyes relaxing, and your stress, it's just like a stress reliever to me when you go to some places that are full of nature. I like it.
Hello, you're here too, huh? This is our tour guide. You're here too. Good girl. Isn't that the most gorgeous view? It was so stressful getting here, but it's so peaceful up here. I think it's undone all the stress that we had as we're coming up. Look how far down that is.
When you light up a room, light up.
I hear someone.
That's all that
Pwede
matters.
mangutana? Asa di, paingon ni ka ng Kabantian Hills. Diretso lang me? Thank you.
Salamat.
Nasaag me. Salamat.
And I just stare in your eyes.
He asked all along the way. I just did not trust Google Maps anymore. Is that Kabantian Hills? Yes. Ah, beautiful. Hey, vlog. Salamat kayo. Hello. And then I almost missed the turn off. Had to do a U-turn. Oh, here we go. It's quite a drive up to one of the most beautiful views I have seen in Bohol.
All that matters. And I just stare in your eyes. Stare in your eyes. And I just stare in your eyes. Stare in your eyes. Can you take me higher? Higher, higher.
It's been a challenge to get up here. This is a steep road. And these are the mountains we just flew through. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't show you the food. The food at Stampa Restaurant is halal and beautiful. We had sinigang and really nice. If you've never had sinigang before, it's a soup. And in the Philippines, when you have a soup, when it's hot, it actually is really good because it gives you lots of energy. It gives you that liquid. And if it's halang, it stays with you. Let's have a look. This is a camping area. And look how steep this is. Seriously, this is steep.
Somewhere